Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix voice chat cutting out over on Discord. So if your voice chat just keeps on cutting out over on Discord, then in this video I found a few easy ways in order to fix this. So fix number one is going to be extremely easy. Just open Discord, just like this, then head over to settings. Once you're right here, just click on voice and video right here. Basically, once you've done that, the first thing you just want to make sure to do is that you have the correct microphone enabled. So if you're using an external microphone, you might have to select that microphone. So it's really important that you have that microphone selected. Otherwise, it will straight up just not work, or it will keep cutting you out if you have multiple microphones basically working at the same time. So basically just select the microphone you are currently using. Now once you've done that, what you want to make sure to do is set that input mode is set to voice activity. If you have it set to push to talk, then this means that you have to basically push a button every single time you want to talk. And sometimes if you forget that, it means that you basically start to get cutting out because you sometimes forget to push that button, or you don't even know you have to push a button, so keep that in mind. I will just simply recommend making sure to set it to voice activity, and when you have it on push to talk, make sure to at least set it to an easy to find keybind basically. But yeah, I would recommend voice activity. Now once you've done that, go and head over to input sensitivity, disable this, and just make sure that if your microphone is really not loud basically, what you want to make sure to do is grab this slider and put it all the way to the left basically, so that even though your microphone is not loud at all, it will still pick up your voice basically. So yeah, I would just recommend putting it somewhere right here, so you always know that your microphone gets put up, gets put up. So once you've done that, it's still not working. What you can also simply try and do is simply restarting Discord. I would recommend doing this by going into your activity monitor or taskbar basically on Windows, heading over to the Discord app just like this, double clicking on it just like that, click on quit, click on force quit, and once you've done that, Discord will basically restart, or you have to click on it again, then it will restart. And basically by doing this, you will give it a complete force restart and nothing in the background keeps on running. And by doing this, it will most of the time fix a lot of issues with the Discord app. So I would recommend doing that to see if it's working. And now if it's still not working basically, then for the last fix I have for you basically is simply making sure that you have a proper Wi-Fi connection. If you have a really bad Wi-Fi connection, then this could sometimes cause issues with just Discord not being able to pick up all of your voice and not being able to transmit it to that other user you're basically in a voice chat with. So yeah, I would always recommend making sure that you have a proper Wi-Fi connection, otherwise your mic will just straight up start cutting out. And that is basically all I have for you in this video. So please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.